Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Closing a $10,000 deal in just 3 days might sound impossible, but with Pipedrive, it's all about speed, organization, and timing. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through exactly how I used Pipedrive to close a big client fast. It all started with a new lead coming in from my website form, which was integrated directly into Pipedrive. The deal was automatically created in my pipeline with all the client's info. Pipedrive instantly notified me, so I followed up within 10 minutes. Quick response time is key. I moved the deal to contact made and scheduled a call directly inside Pipedrive. During the call, I took notes in Pipedrive and uploaded documents straight into the deal. No messy email chains. I set reminders to send a proposal the same day. Here's where Pipedrive really saved time. I used a proposal template inside my workflow. The system automatically filled in the client details and sent the document. I also set up an automation to nudge me if the deal hadn't been updated in 24 hours. The client loved the quick turnaround. Within 3 days, we negotiated the terms, signed the proposal, and closed a $10,000 deal. The deal was marked as won and instantly updated in my revenue reports. Speed, organization, and automation. That's how I closed a $10,000 deal in just 3 days using Pipedrive. If you want to win faster and smarter, set up your pipeline today by clicking on the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.